My viewers, that girl they wanna see her roll on the ground. She's a dancer. Them call her DHQ chicken. The man them pronounce her a mandevil last night. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. JCF find 2MATIC at Kingston. Plus, Mobay have a gang problem and Alice is back. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this.
Is the G6 gang. They operate in Salt Spring Rose Heights. 641 gang, Salt Spring Rose Heights. Bloods gang, Flower Hill. YSF, Bird Hill. KDF, Mount Salem. Downtown Sparta and Young Sparta Generation. Flankers. Rebel gang from the Flankers community. Libyan gang, Flankers. YAK, Norwood. HDF, Norwood. One Don gang, Mount Carey. Shmoney, Maroontown. And Bad 13 from Springmount. We will not allow criminals to go around shooting people like birds anywhere and anytime, as our response will be swift and decisive, and we hope those who have ears to hear will hear. So we are warning the gang not to challenge or resist the police when we come, as we have a lawful responsibility to first defend and protect ourselves and the decent law-abiding citizens of this
country. Hear what the Deputy Superintendent of Police Linra Edwards say Mobay have a gang problem. Say most of the youth them just a left out of high school and a join gang. Some of them still in a school and a run back a gang. My people, Mobay, I not like Kingston, you know. For years, Kingston was the murder capital for Jamaica until Mobay come take over. The scamming, the choppings, make all type of man a farm gang, all type of man turn gunman, all type of man a say them a dance and general. You see, if you no want to know the difference between Mobay and town, all you have to do, look pan a Dan from town and look pan a Dan from Mobay, and you'd know the difference. I be a broke badness there town, you know. Most of the youth them wanna see a run up and down with all iron in a hand and a murder people. Them nah no money. Most of the man them who call themselves Dans and General in a Kingston, them broke. If I never for the MP or some people are foreign, sorry for them. White squall with a name them. And not like Mobay, where the youth them a chop, the youth them a scam, the youth them a ship off weed guy 80 and all type of thing for make money. It's a different badness. That's why I see so much youth down a Mobay. I left out of high school and I run down badness. Cause them have it say money in the badness and Mobay. Things are happening in Mobay. Choppings and all type of thing. So hear it them viewers. The amount of gang there Mobay. Every day a new gang farm. So no walk with me now. See the girl I wanna see on the screen. She's a dancer. She named Brittany. But some of them call her in the street DHQ chicken. Gunman murdered the girl last night in a party at Mandeville. And see it my viewers. What DHQ could have do if a gunman do this. Even though me I hear say I shoot the boy them come shoot up the party. But see it ya. Tell you every day you know. Say the gunman them and the dance and the general them don't care about the innocent people them life. Once as them here say the boy them they round there so. Them a come round there so come shoot up the place brawling. And not care about nobody life. So see her ya. Boy them take Brittany life and gone back on them ends gone go brag and hype about it. When the man who them come for escape and gone. My people, you see why me can't rate enough of them crash dummy and enough of them pressers ya. Them here say them enemy day in a party. So them make step go party. And instead of them go for the man who them come for, them just start shoot up the party sa Mandeville. See it ya, innocent people get 9 ball and drop out. Who care about the victim them boy ya? Eh? Who care about the innocent them when them get caught up in a crime and violence and lose them life? Who care about them? We no see nobody boy ya we care about them. We no hear about no organization or no group where go Black Road and march for them. See why me can't rate no for uno. You see why Indie come them have to go down. You see why JFJ have to go down. Because uno only a represent for gunman. Uno can't trick we no more, you know. We know where I go on right now, you know. We know who are fun, you know. And who are peer, you know. for Black Road and protest for gunman, So CRM my viewers, my condolences to the dancer, DHQ Chicken, lose our life, me I tell you no a man devil, gun bag, the little crash dummy them. So my people, no walk with me now. See this one and see on the screen, JCF, find it a Victoria Street, Albert Street, them 2MATIC here, and the general I go want know how JCF find him MATIC them. You see most of them MATIC you wanna see I get whole lamp and people are leaking, People them tired of the dance and the general them, But slowly but surely, remember that. You hear that car Rome never built in a one day, So the people them are go push you out, brother. But it'll take time. Remember that. So see it here. Them 2MATIC here. JCF gone with them. But if JCF not do it, who are go do it? Walk with me again. Where I go down a town where we see Alice is back. Hero circle settings. My viewers, a lot of people out there say give Alice a second chance. Well, since like how we give second chance, can we give the youth who murdered the 14-year-old Olympic guard a second chance too? Because we give second chance now, because that no for no. We can give the dance and the general them a second chance to do. Open the cell and free them up. Let them out back pan road. The whole of the killer them. Give them a second chance too. Because you see no for a joke una run with no belly, Alice should have never sell back another plate of food again or another crab again. I prefer she go sell chicks, soap, or anything else me I tell you about food. Things we go in her belly. After them catch her on camera do all of that. People, you not think or you forgot. Get back on the memories together, man. Gather them back, man. When you hear that, so if we are going to give second chance, we could give everybody second chance then. We could give the dance and the general them second chance. We could give the gunman them, the graper them, because a second chance you know say, So that you know what? Alice, no forget no second chance. Me no care when nobody out there want say. If uno want give her a second chance, uno go and go near my shit up crab and shit up food them. But to all of the real people them out there, uno don't do that to yourself. You hear that? Don't play back that same game here twice again. Probably this time, uno probably drop on your face and a running belly. You see me? So until next time, my viewers, protect on 3 points a road. Don't know my code. Life over there.
Yo, you see, apart from the pixie cut, I love see the girl them and them part them here in the middle and them catch up it on the back with them little gel and them little lip gloss. That, trust me, believe.